The Nike Air Max 95 Blue Spark returns in 2025, reviving a standout 2011 colorway. A fresh take on the Big Bubble retro trend, it showcases gray gradient sidewalls, white mesh uppers, and bold black midsoles. Eye-catching blue spark accents pop on the swoosh, eyelets, and air units, giving the sneaker its vibrant signature look. Teased by Corteiz founder Clint 419, who also previewed the Supreme X Air Max TN. This drop follows his own successful Honey Black's Corteiz X Air Max 95 release. The blue spark sits alongside iconic colorways like neon, pink foam, and bright Mandarin, keeping the Air Max 95's momentum alive. With official images already revealed, anticipation is high. The sneaker is slated for an August 8, 2025, launch at $190. Blending nostalgia and energy, the Blue Spark Retro is poised to reignite its legacy within modern sneaker culture.